નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ટુડે we are going to learn standard 6th subject English unit number 4th trace to treasure. As you know students, in our previous videos we completed first to third unit. Now today we have to start our new unit, unit number 4th trace to treasure. Before starting our learning, just we have to understand the heading of the unit. Trace to treasure means what? First of all, trace word we have to understand. Trace means thrown away or left over things. As you know student, in our home something we throw away, it's known as a trace. In Gujarati we can call it as a kachro. Kachro we throw away, it's known as a trace. Trace means to throw away leftover things. Treasure means what? We have to understand second word, treasure. Treasure means making of useful thing. From that trace we have to make useful things. It's known as a treasure. Trace to treasure. From the leftover things we can throw it. That types of things we have to make new things. It's known as a treasure. Trace to treasure. Can you understand? For example, at your home, cold drinks bottle, we throw it. It's a for us. It's a one type of trace. But using that bottle, we make any creative new things. It's known as a treasure. Can you understand, student? Now, trace to treasure. So in this unit, we have to understand about how to use trace in a different way. So, like other units, here unit number 4th have a 1 to 10 activity. We have to complete it, and how trace is useful to us, we have to understand about it. So let's start it. Activity number 1st. Activity number 1st is given here. What is this? We have to understand about it. This unit is about reusing or recycling things instead of just throwing them away. This unit is about reusing. Here some terms we have to understand clearly, then after we have to complete our work. Reusing means what? Can you understand? Reuse means what? Yes, reusing means some trace we have to use directly. That types of term is known as a reusing. For example, just we see earlier cold drinks bottle. If cold drinks bottle is empty, then we do not throw it. We use as a water bottle for our traveling. So it's become a reusing. It's known as a reusing. Second word, recycling. We have to understand about it. Recycling means what? We have to understand about it. Recycling means throwing your trash is used to make another things. Recycled. It is known as a recycling. For example, your water bottle you throw, your cold drinks bottle you throw. It is used melting it and used again making a new article of plastic. It is known as a recycling. Can you understand now both term? Reusing or recycling. This unit is about reusing or recycling things instead of just throwing them away. This unit, whole unit is used as a reusing and recycling things instead of just throwing them away. This art was made with many things, and this type of art was made with many things. Look carefully and name as many as things as you can. Make a list here. Here one picture given. We have to observe it carefully, and from seeing that picture we have to make a list of things. Which type of things, how many things is used to making that portrait. Can you understand, student? Just observe it carefully. Observe it carefully, and then you have to find out the how many things is used to make that portrait. So little things is there. You have to observe with carefully, and then you have to make a list on downside. Can you understand, student? Just observe all the things. Observe a picture carefully. What types of things can you see here? You have to make a list there. After that, here one question is asking you. How many different things did you name? How many things did you find from that portrait? Compare with a classmate. Now compare your list with your classmate. Do you have the same number? Do you have the same number like your classmate find out from that picture? Did you miss something your classmate saw? And did you miss something that your classmate saw? If your classmates see and you cannot see that things, did you miss something from that picture? So here answer of that question is given. You have to understand about that answer. So first I write here, just keep attention here what we think, what we find out from that picture. The entire piece of art looks like a man playing on a violin. Can you understand that? Entire piece of art looks like a man playing on a violin. The scrap items used to make this art piece are a scrap violin. For making that scrap item art, this art piece used a scrap violin, a violin stick. What is this? You have to understand. Scrap violin is there, then violin stick is there, a toy frog is there in that portrait, a photo frame is there, a photo frame's balls, a water bottle is there, buttons is used, a safety pin is there, a tag on the jeans pant is also used here, a chocolate wrapper is also used here, chocolate wrapper, a torch is there, a pen cover, a purse with zip, a hair brooch, a soft board pin, a stitch pin, a drawer lock, etc. things is used to making that portrait. Just think about it. I find out that types of things from that picture. The entire piece of art looks like a man playing on a violin. The scrap items used to make this art piece are scrap violin is there, a violin stick, a toy frog, a photo frame balls, a water bottle, buttons, a safety pin, a tag on jeans pant, a chocolate wrapper, a torch, a pen cover, a purse with a zip, a hair brooch, a soft board pin, a stitch pin, a drawer lock, etc. we find out from that picture, that portrait. Now next question's answer is given here. I named 18 things. I compared them with my classmates. I could find out and name the highest number of things. I named 18 things. 18 things I find out from that portrait. I compared them with my classmates. I could find out the highest number of things. From my class, I find out the highest number of things from that portrait. Can you understand, student? Here our first activity over. In that making of portrait, just for your understanding, that making of a portrait used all the scrap trace items is used to making that portrait. So from trace, it's become a very good portrait here. Can you understand, student? So this answer you have to compare you have to complete in your textbook. Okay, you have to complete this answer in your textbook. Now activity number 2 we have to do. Activity number 2 is a main part of our lesson. Just we see it. First one, activity 2. Activity 2's heading is there, a new dish, part 1. Activity 2's heading is there, a new dish, part 1. Can you understand, student? A new dish, part 1. What is this? We have to understand about it. It is a one interesting story is given here. We have to understand about it. I read from here, just keep attention here. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a huge dinner in his palace for many important people. It's before many years. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a huge dinner in his palace. Order a huge dinner. एक बहुत बड़ा डिनर उसने अरेंज किया है. कहाँ पे? उसके पैलेस में. फॉर मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट पीपल. और वो है सभी इंपॉर्टेंट पीपल को वहां इनवाइट किया गया है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, द आफ्टरनून बिफोर द डिनर द महाराजा एंटर्ड द किचन टू सी what dishes were being prepared for his guests. Now what's happened? The afternoon before the dinner, afternoon time, the Maharaja visited the kitchen where all the things prepared. The Maharaja entered the kitchen to see what dishes were being prepared for his guests, and he wanted to see that which type of dishes were being prepared for each important guest. Now next thing, the feast was nearly ready, and the feast means dinner was already ready. The king was happy to see rice, pickles, chutney and breads, and a king saw that there were rice, then pickles, different types of pickles, chutneys and breads, all are prepared very well. Okay? Now next thing. Then the king noticed a basket full of many small pieces of vegetables that no one was using. Now what's happened? Then the king noticed a basket full of many small pieces of vegetable that no one was using. After that, seeing that good dishes like rice, pickles, chutneys and breads. After that, king noticed a basket full of many small pieces. After that, nearby one basket is filled with many small pieces of vegetables that no one was using. उसके बाद राजा ने देखा तो बाजू में पड़े बास्केट में सभी वेजिटेबल के पीसीस पड़े थे और वो वेस्टिंग थिंग थी, वो कोई यूज नहीं कर रहा था. बास्केट फुल ऑफ मेनी स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स दैट नो वन वाज यूजिंग हियर. सो इट्स वन टाइप ऑफ ट्रेश lying near the table basket. Okay? Now next thing we have to understand what's happened now. The king asked the head cook, what will you do with all these vegetable scraps? Now the king asked the head cook. Head cook means cook's head. The king asked the head cook, what will you do with all these vegetable scraps? What will you do with all the vegetable scraps lying near here in basket? Scrap means what? We have to understand. Here new word scrap is given here. Scrap means no longer useful things or small pieces of leftover. In our Gujarati language we can say DTA of vegetables. Can you understand DTA? Like that. Scraps. Now king asked that what will you do with all these vegetable scraps? Now they are waste, sir. We will throw them away. The cook replied. Now cook replied to king that they are waste. All these things are waste, sir. We will throw them away. We don't use that types of scrap. We throw them away. Okay? Can you understand? Now king replied, we should not waste all these vegetables. The Maharaja said that we should not waste all these vegetables. Find a way to use them, he commanded. Now he ordered to the head cook that Find a way to use them. How we can use that trash? Find the way. He ordered the head cook. Now what's happened? Then he turned and left the kitchen. Now he turned and left the kitchen. After that, king left the kitchen and went. But he ordered to the head cook that find a way to use them, means use them. All the scraps you have to use it again. Don't throw that leftover things. Now king ordered. Now what's happened? राजा ने वो ऑर्डर दिया है तो उसको करना ही पड़ेगा. हाउ ही मैनेज इट वी हैव टू सी इन अवर पार्ट सेकंड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग. नाउ द कुक वॉज वरीड listening that things from king. Cook was now worried. He stared at the scraps and thought. He stared. Stare means what? Here new word for you. Stare. Stared means what? Stared means to keep on looking for a long time with eyes wide open. To keep on looking for a long time with eyes wide open. किसी वस्तु पर हम ज़्यादा देर तक देखते हैं, एक ध्यान से देखते हैं, उसे स्टेयर्ड बोलते हैं. स्टेयर्ड एट द स्क्रैप्स एंड थॉट एंड थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट स्क्रैप. देयर वॉज ओनली ए लिटिल याम, plantain, cucumber and potato. But in scrap there was only a little yam. Yam means what? Can you understand? Yam means a potato like root. A potato like root. In our Gujarati we can say that sakkariya gajar. Like that, one type of root. Root is there, yam. It is look like a potato, like a root. Okay. Then plantain. Plantain is also there. Plantain means a tropical fruit similar to banana. It's like a banana, one type of a fruit. Plantain. Cucumber, everybody knows about it, and potato also you know about. So in the script there were only a little yam, plantain, cucumber and potato only. There was carrot, a few beans and a few chilies, and also there was a carrot, a few beans there and a few chilies also there in scrap. He only had a small amount of everything except for one thing. He have a small amount of everything. That things is very in small amount because it's a scrap. So very little amount is there. Everything is little there. Except one thing is there. Outside he had a wall tree full of ripe coconuts, and except one thing, outside from the kitchen he had a wall tree full of ripe coconut is there in that tree. So outside the kitchen coconut tree is there, and that coconut tree have a many ripe coconuts hanging on that tree. Only one thing is full, except one thing is there. Full amount of ripe coconuts are there on outside the kitchen. Other things very little bit is there. So can you understand, student? Here our part 1, a new dish is over. Part 1 of a new dish is over. Part 2 about a new dish we have to understand in next activities. Okay, so now can you understand, student, lesson here? So it's a lesson's main part. You have to understand lesson's main story. Okay, now next thing is there new words is given here. Scrap, small pieces left over. Did you find more new words? Write them here to help you remember them. If you find no more new words, then you have to write here. So students, here our activity number 2 also over. Now remaining activities we have to do in our next video. But before that, you have to write new words in your fair notebook. Here students, unit number 4th, trace to treasure, activity number 1st and 2nd's new words is given here. In your fair notebook, you have to write all the new words just give heading on new page, unit number 4th, trace to treasure. After completing unit 3rd, then give heading unit number 4th on new page, trace to treasure. Then give heading activity number 1st and 2nd, and also write second activity's heading a new dish part 1. Then new words, you have to complete all the new words in your fair notebook. Can you understand, student? Okay, complete it in your fair notebook. Thank you for joining us.